Talking about that money today. Clear me! Good morning, everyone. This is Financial Literacy 101, and today we'll be talking about the IPO. We'll be talking about the infamous Clear. Now, if you guys are not familiar with Clear, it's that little booth right before you go inside that long airport line. And let's get right into it without too much haste. Let's first talk about the company today versus the IPO. Now, today, if you guys are not familiar with Clear, once again, you've seen this if you went to airports. You've seen this when you go to certain entities that Clear is actually a part of. But let's go inside what Clear really is. Here's the definition for you guys who walk past, who are not familiar, who haven't traveled in a very long time. Now, they're calling it Clear Secure. It's an identity platform, uses biometrics such as eye, face, and fingerprints to automate the identity verification process in clear lanes at airports, in-person events, and healthcare facilities. So they are growing exponentially. This stock, this IPO, once it come out, let me tell you, it's already up to $4.3 billion, where they're saying that the average per share is going to be anywhere from $27 to $30 per share. Now, first and foremost, not only am I a customer of Clear, but I'm also an investor. So here's my membership of Clear. Just to let you guys know, it expires next year. I go to Dominican Republic here in July with my family. So we all have the family plan if you look at that. Nonetheless, this is showing you how I am invested in one way, but there's another way that I'm investing. Let me go over to Robinhood very quickly to show you the new platform, the new innovative software that Robinhood actually implemented inside their website. They're now letting people like myself, okay, I'm kind of happy, but nonetheless, I'm part of this, I guess, new initiative so you can start to invest in IPOs on Robinhood. And I got the invite yesterday. I thought I was going to look at that email for you guys, but I will. But nonetheless, here we go. We received your initial public offering request to buy 2 shares of you, which is the ticker for Clear Secure, at a maximum price of $36 per share or lower per share, and to go to some other jargon. But let me show you this. Where am I? Here we go. Nope, that's not what it is. And there we go. So Clear Secure's IPO terms could value company up to $4.3 billion. And what that's simply saying is, if you read through all of this jargon, the most important part is this. The company is looking to raise up to $396 million as it's offering 13.2 million shares in the IPO, which is expected price between $27 and $30 a share. Again, ladies and gentlemen, Clear. Because I have Clear and I also have TSA PreCheck. When you work with them in tandem, when you connect those two, let me tell you, I can't tell you how fast I go through the airport. I used to show up to the airport 1 hour, 2 hours, sometimes 3 hours early. I show up to the airport like 10 minutes early. I'm not lying. And I walk right in through the line. I go up to Clear. They do my eyes, fingerprints, whatever it may have you. Then I go right to the TSA pre-line, because Clear will walk you up to the line, right to the TSA pre-check, and I don't even take off my shoes or anything like that. I don't even take my laptop out of the bag. I go straight through, and people looking at me like, how the hell he just, because somebody walked me up there, they're like, who is this important guy? I'm not important at all. I just know the right services to have. Now, here's one of the cool things that I was sent inside my email. Okay, inside my email. Let me blow this up for you guys. You're one of the first to get IPO access. Okay, Raymond, starting today, you have the opportunity to buy shares of companies at their IPO price before trading on public events. With IPO access, you can now participate in up-and-coming IPOs with no account minimums. That is your boy putting in the work. That is your boy doing hard work when it comes to investing. We're giving great information. So I'm just making you guys aware. You already know about Clear. I'm pretty sure you saw it at your airport. Believe me, to me, it's worth it. I'm not trying to promote the business. Again, I'm not an advocate. I'm not a spokesperson. I'm not marketing. I'm just letting you know I've used the service. I love the service. I go up. It's very, very quick. I go through TSA pre-check, and I'm out there in 5 minutes. I'm telling you, I timed it. My average time, once I get to the Clear booth, get through that, go to TSA pre, is 5 minutes. Picture your wait time in line. 5 minutes, okay? So right now, again, I just want to let you know, I only bought 2 shares of this right here. of U, and that's the ticker when it comes out. It's U. Now, it lets me know here if the price per share stays within a 20% buffer and is below your max share price, your request will remain valid and will be filled without additional action. If the price moves outside the 20% buffer or is above your max share price, you'll need to reconfirm your request at the new price. So I just bought 2 shares, nothing really too big. And here's some of the other messages that I received about IPO access, and we received your order to buy Clear, blah, 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 blah. Here's a nut and pour story. They said Clear Secure stock is another solid IPO buy on Robinhood. And this is coming from Money Morning, okay? Money Morning, we make investment profitable, okay? So that's just a little more information. I'm not going to go into analytics details and how valuable the company is. Just take my word for it. I use the service. There's 3 services that I use when it comes to the airport, okay? This is just good information. If these companies come to fruition and release an IPO or direct public offering, you may want to invest inside of them. So when it comes to the 3, I think the federal government, you can't invest inside TSA pre-check because it's under federal government. But anyway, Clear, absolutely love it. Independent company organization that gives you the biometric to make sure you say who you are and also does a background check, okay? To me, it is pricey, but if you travel a lot or you're looking to travel in the future, they do have trial periods. Believe me, you can ask anybody I know. I'm a huge advocate of using trial periods. That's why I have over 5 Google accounts. YouTube Music. But anyway, I use these different accounts to do different things. So when it comes to trial period, what I do is, like, some people don't like, I'm going to forget. Only thing I do when I do a trial period, it don't matter what it is, a music app, something like this. When I first started using Clear, ladies and gentlemen, I went in there, you put your credit card information in there, and they tell you, after 30 days, you would be billed after, 90 days. I think Clear had a 90-day one. I told my buddy about, he used Clear, didn't pay anything, and he did exactly what I told him to do. You sign up, put your credit card information just like anything else. But 2 days prior to your expiration date, 2 days prior, at least 48 hours prior, that's just my number. I don't, you can do a day prior. You set your reminder, okay, 30 minutes to an hour. Always 2 notifications because you may miss the first one. And then cancel your account. Go to the website, cancel your account. That is, you'll never have to pay anything. So you're looking to travel in the future and you just want to try out the service, I'm giving you the keys to the city, okay? That's Clear. So Clear, I get through that. They walk me right up in front of the line. I don't even get in the line. I walk right up to where the security TSA agent is. And then I say, where's TSA pre? Or I see TSA pre. I go in that line. I don't take off any shoes. I don't take my laptop out. They put on the conveyor belt. I walk right through. They said, cool. I'm out literally 5 minutes or less. 5 minutes or less, okay? Now, when I'm going overseas, like when I went to Jamaica, Dominican Republic, Brazil. When I come back, I use global entry. Now you can get TSA pre-check and global entry together, and it's only $100 per 5 years. Now you spend $100 on bullcrap, you spend $100 on dinner. Think about when you travel. If you travel once or twice a year, most people at least travel once a year. Believe me, it's worth it, okay? Just think about it. You're paying, what, $20 a year, so you don't have to wait in line? To me, it's worth it. I hate waiting in line. Some of you say, I don't care. I do, because when travel getting back, everybody's getting vaccinated, people are getting back in line, you're not going to see those empty lines anymore. You're going to wish you had this service. This is Financial Literacy 101. Learn money, and you better get into these IPOs because it's going to boom. They're talking about Clear Secure, $100 to the moon. I'm out.